おはようございます。アナドニアです。Rod。今回は、Rod、アルフレッド、ヒッチコックの鳥を見ています。film, The writer of this film is Evan. The director of this film is Alfred Hitchcock. Melanie is played by Tippi Hedren. Kathy is played by Veronica Cartwright. Mrs. Bundy is played by Ethel Griffiths. Lydia is played by Jessica Tandy. Mitch is played by Rod Taylor. Rod. This film is excellent. I highly suggest seeking it out and watching it if you have yet to see it. Grab a copy. VHS is the way to go. それではまた今度。